competition that they won first place in Wisconsin here in Minnesota. So we are very fortunate to have this group joining us, and they're gonna do 2 songs together. So please enjoy.
Oh my gosh. Dino.
I thought they said something to us.
I know. Oh, Alyssa forgot.
Oh my god. Oh my god. They're not even picking up the sheet.
Dude, I think he's too nervous. He can't even do it. Look at him.
Oh my god.
I know, like all of them.
Yeah, all of them did this until they got back together.
Except for Lee and Nico. Yeah, I think. I don't know. Yeah, Lee and Crystal too.
For 2 hours.